Hello and welcome to the Prisma ORM Query Fundamentals course. My name is Xander. This tutorial is part of a whole course playlist, which you can access for free on YouTube. For deeper learning, the extended course is available for purchase at Udemy. You'll find all the resources and links in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly promotions, discounts, and Udemy course giveaways. This module, Data Operations, introduces you to working with data in Express.js applications. It covers the essential topics such as creating, deleting, updating, and bulk processing records via REST APIs. So this module also covers database seeding, handling complex relationships, and documenting APIs using Swagger. So by the end of this module, you would have learned how to, in fact, build and manage REST APIs in Express.js. That includes building routes, controllers, and performing basic CRUD operations. You will be able to insert, update, delete, and bulk process records through REST APIs managed by Express.js. We'll take a few different angles, looking at how to work with data from the perspective of working with one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many relationships within our database. And we use tools such as Swagger. So Swagger is an API documentation tool, which is going to allow us to document and interact with our endpoints so that we can test and view the outcomes of the endpoints that we create. And we also need to know a little bit about Node Monitor, which is going to allow us to auto reload the server during development when we're adding or changing code within our application. And then finally, we'll go ahead and automate the database seeding. So we'll automatically populate the database with data when we bring the container up. So in the next module, we can go ahead and learn how to query the database.